Building a website for your personal chef business really shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that. Build a simple website for your personal chef service on the Mighty Sites platform. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial and see how well it works for you in your small business. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, personal chef, and select that template. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our personal chef service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let Mighty Sites work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally generated a whole entire website for me with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the delicious culinary delights you've served up to your customers. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. So let's get started. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sort or have any skills. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. Let's make sure we tick this box, show email on site, to display our email address on our website for our customers to reach out. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Your address, your physical location, maybe you're on mobile, but if you do have a physical location, you can put it in over here. And when your customers click on that address, when your website's live, we'll automatically take them to Google Maps. If you're mobile, just leave it off. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a logo, head on over to the update logo section and upload it here. Once it's been uploaded, you can make slight amendments so that you can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, click on save over here on the right so you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo and you don't have one yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. I have tried them both myself and they're really great to create a free logo if you don't have a huge budget. If you want to change the colors used throughout your website that we pre-selected as well, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from that could be suited to your business. Now, for each section you'd like to make changes to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your own device to upload your own images. Otherwise, search through that photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. If you head over back to the photo options, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos if you have a profile. And update actions where you can change that button text as well as where the button links to. You can even upload a PDF file over there for when your customers click on that button. In the About Me section, you can make it a little bit more personalized to your business, how you got into the industry. Your customers would love to hear your story. Now, in the last section, we have a lead generation form. This is where your customers can reach out to you. You will get notified via your registered email. You have a new lead. Also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard. If you'd like to connect a custom domain to make your website look even more personalized, professional, and trustworthy, click on the yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. You also have the option now to purchase a domain from the Mighty Sites platform. Just click on that button as well. Really wishing you and your business mighty success and hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.